We all love the smell of garlic, especially when it is sauteed along with onions. But did you know that combining garlic with honey produces a powerful combo that can help maintain your body healthy and strong? Garlic is not only delicious in recipes, but it is also extremely beneficial to your health due to its high antioxidant content. Garlic contains allicin, which helps decrease cholesterol, prevent blood clotting, and has been found to prevent cancer and destroy germs. Garlic is low in calories but high in nutrients such as manganese, vitamin B6, vitamin C, selenium, and fiber. It naturally boosts your immune system, assisting your body in fighting infection. According to one study, eating garlic every day reduced the occurrence of colds by 63% and the duration of cold symptoms by 70%. Antioxidants, enzymes, and minerals such as iron, zinc, potassium, calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and selenium are also abundant in raw honey. Vitamin B6, thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin are also present. Now there's a fine line between raw honey and commercial honey. Commercial honey is highly processed, and the heat eliminates all of its natural enzymes, vitamins, and minerals. However, raw honey is rich of flavor and nutritional value. It has a low glycemic index, which aids with digestion. It is therefore preferable to use raw honey. Raw honey can also help decrease cholesterol levels. It also gives the body and mind energy, making it simpler to maintain a healthy weight. It is an excellent immune system booster due to its antibacterial and antioxidant characteristics. Here's how to produce a garlic and honey mixture that may be used as a natural remedy to boost your immune system and keep your body healthy. Ingredients: 3 to 4 heads of garlic, 1 cup of raw honey, a small jar with a lid. Directions: separate the garlic heads into single cloves. Remove the outer coating of the cloves rather than peeling them. Place the unpeeled garlic cloves in the container. Pour the honey over the cloves slowly. Remove any trapped air bubbles with a spoon. Cover the cloves completely with honey and place the lid on the jar. Soak the mixture for a few days in the fridge or at room temperature. Savor the flavor. Raw garlic is the best method to consume it. Heat can separate the allicin, reducing its nutritional value. The health benefits of allicin are increased when raw garlic is crushed. You may also add more herbs to the dish, such as thyme leaves, for added taste. If you're not feeling well, a tablespoon of this combination will help you recover faster. Take 1 tablespoon in the morning before eating or drinking anything to help your immune system every day. You'll notice an increase in energy, and your body will function at its peak. Spread it on toast, use it in a salad dressing, or add it to your favorite granola dishes to enjoy this combination. By the end of this video, you now know how to boost your health using these 2 powerful condiments. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Join the channel for more advice and recipes. Hope you learned something from this video. Bye.